Hi, my name is Kayla Wolanski, and this is an oceanography presentation on the geological history of Iceland. We are going to start out the presentation by talking about where Iceland is located. Now, Iceland is located in the North Atlantic Ocean, and it sits upon the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Now, right here in this diagram, you can see where Iceland sits upon this Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Now, what's causing the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is these two tectonic plates. We got the North American plate right here, and the Eurasian plate right here. Now, when it comes to Iceland's composition, it is mainly made of basaltic rock, which is due to all the lava. Now, because of the two plate tectonics moving in opposite directions, it has caused magma to seep above the Earth's mantle, and the lava has cooled over time, and it has gradually gotten bigger and bigger until it is now above the ocean's surface. And that is what present-day Iceland is. Now, when it comes to Iceland's timeline, there's one little fact I found kind of interesting. When it comes to the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, the North American and the Eurasian plates, they didn't start at the same time. So about 150 million years ago, the divergence of the ridge started in the north side of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which is the North American plate. It was 90 million years ago that the divergence of the ridge began in the south side of it. Now, 100 million years ago, the volcanic plume was formed. 70 million years ago, hot lava rose to the surface of the ocean where it cooled and gradually became an island, which is present-day Iceland, which is exactly what I was talking about in the previous slide. Now, 55 million years ago, Greenland drifts away from the hotspot of massive volcano activity. Iceland is the only one left remaining in that spot. Now, 30 to 40 million years ago, Iceland was a land bridge connecting Europe and America. It was actually believed that you could cross between the two, and many animals did. Now, 3 million years ago, Ice Age began. Iceland was entrapped in a glacier throughout. Now, in Iceland's geological mechanisms, it's exactly how I was talking about earlier, how Iceland actually was formed. So here we have the mantle and the magma. So the mantle right here, and the magma is seeping up onto the seafloor. Now the lava would harden and get cool.